innovative Slatwall covers provide an amazing and quick renovation option for all your spaces. Browse our website to find inspiration for your next project. From retail store design, point-of-purchase fixtures, corporate interiors, office decor, to trade show booths, we have options to transform your decor. Imagine it and we will make it happen. For personalized service, help is only a phone call away. Design options are endless. Match any color for branding and add photos for impact. Amp up the volume of promotional events with customized displays and transform the appearance whenever you like. It's fast and easy. With Slatwall Covers, you can enjoy seasonal decorating themes for your store displays. Go bright and bold for Halloween, fresh new florals for spring, and a touch of elegance for the holidays. Enjoy quick makeovers because installation is a breeze. Our plastic Slatwall covers simply slide or snap over your old, worn, and chipped wood slat wall. To order your Slatwall covers, visit CustomSlatwallPanels.com or call 920-467-2477.